Okay, I just saw a video on YouTube of someone servicing a lawnmower like this one, and I thought to myself, I haven't changed the oil on this one in a couple of years. I have this for probably like 5 years now, 6 years. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that done, clean the air filter and stuff. Okay, so let's start with the air filter here. See what's going on here. It's still looking quite good. Let's just flip it around. Okay. It's a bit of dust in here and obviously the grass. So what I'll do is I'm just going to blow this out with air with my compressor, because it does not look as if it's broken or anything. It's still got good color. Yeah. Okay, so I've got it loosened up now. So if my brain isn't mistaken, this should be like loose. So I should be able to turn this, so then I can drain the oil on this side, because there's way than enough slack on this cable. So I'm just turning this so we can have it the other way. Say, so it's standing like this now. So then the bolt that I need is this one. It's a 10 spanner. So I'm just gonna release it first. Feel it a little bit unstuck. I think after about a year I did do an oil change on this lawnmower, but the other time I removed this thing and all the oil just spilled everywhere, and I had to clean it with engine cleaner and everything to get it looking like new again. But I think today I'm going to try something different. Yeah. It's time. If you ever wanted to try something different today, do it today. Don't wait. Procrastination is a killer. Yeah. We always say, yeah, we want to, we will, we should, we could have. Just do it today. Start today. Get a program like plumbing and just start learning something about it, or air conditioning or cooling, whatever. Just choose something and just start doing it. Just start doing something different. Okay, I don't have a manual on how much oil I have to add in here, but I have a dipstick, so I'm just going to go according to this. Okay, let's just add some. Start getting a good idea. Okay, so it's above the high dot. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, you can see it's just above the high dot, but it's fine. I'm going to leave it like that. So I think while it's in motion and it picked up some of the oil, it's good to have a slight bit more. Okay guys, last but not least, I want to show you guys the spark plug. Let's see what it looks like. I don't have a spark plug right now, but I'm just going to clean this one up, reinstall it since it's still working fine. So I'll just quickly clean it. Okay, this is what it looks like now. It's a bit cleaner. I'm just going to reinstall it, it's fine. Okay, let's give it a quick start so the oil can just flush around.